Network has got the perfect gift. Simply go online before Christmas and create your own personalized Christmas message with our Christmas buffer generator. Then sit back and wait. Because the naughtiest and the nicest and even the craziest Christmas messages could be chosen to appear on TV. Go to CartoonNetwork.com.ph now. Take it away, Rippy! One, two, three, four. A bunch of baby ducks send them to the room.
I got 10 tips for everybody. It's girl tips. Please request boy tips or girl tips. First tip: if you want a girl to like you need to give her flowers. And then second tip: when text her like this: I love you, babe. Hello, babe. How are you? I love you. I miss you. Like that. Make it the most sweetest. And then bring her where she likes. Do not argue with her. That's the third. And then the fourth is do not do not it's hard to say. I don't know the English term. Do not annoy her there. Number 5, when 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 you go face to face, kiss her in the lips. Number 6, if she has a homework, do it for her. Number 7, if she asks help her. Number 8, if if a boy try to do something to her, punch the boy. Number 4, that is my tips. Number 10, thank you. Please subscribe.